And big breaking news coming in from Bihar. This is related to the election. Tejasvi Yadav is expected to file his nomination of Ragharpur constituency very shortly. Along with Tejasvi Yadav, you can see on your screens the visuals coming in. Lalu Prasad Yadav and his mother Rabdi Devi are also accompanying him. Tejasvi will be filing his nomination from Ragharpur constituency. Remember, this is amid the constant negotiations that are continuing between the Congress and the RJD still over the candidate seats and the number of seats as well. So RJD in the midst of all this has chosen to show their strength in Ragharpur. RJD, you can see right now the top leaders, Tejasvi Yadav, Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabdi Devi going there together for the filing of the nomination. Joining us right now is India Today's Piyush Mishra. Piyush, do tell us what's happening.
Well, Anjali, as we were speaking, Tejasvi Yadav, along with his father and mother, Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabdi Devi, has reached the collectorate office in Hajipur, where he, along with the family members, are present, and he is going to file his nomination in a short while from now. All the process of looking into the documents is going on, and very soon we will also get these pictures of Tejasvi Yadav filing his nomination from the Ragharpur seat. After the filing of nomination, what we are told is that he is likely to hold a road show from here till Patna, where he is going to send out a strong message to his supporters about the kind of presence of RJD is there on the ground. But what is more interesting here, Anjali, is that Tejasvi Yadav is filing nomination amidst at a time when there is no clarity over which party in Mahagathbandhan is going to fight on how many seats. Seat sharing formula has not been decided by Mahagathbandhan. There are political parties like Congress, Mukesh Sahni's VIP and various others who are still waiting for the official announcement of seats. In fact, RJD itself has not announced on how many seats RJD is going to fight the elections. Amidst all this confusion, Tejasvi Yadav has decided to file his nomination. As we are speaking, he is present inside the collectorate office and he is going to file the nomination very soon. And after filing nomination, we will also see Tejasvi Yadav hitting the ground for campaigning. The first phase of polling will take place on 6th of November, and for that nomination will be filed till 17th of October. And before that, all candidates will have to file their nomination. And looking into the time limit, Tejasvi has decided to file his nomination, and then we will also see nominations to be filed for the second phase of elections. So we will see a lot of nominations to be filed, but for that there should be a clarity on how many seats which party is fighting in Mahagathbandhan, and also in NDA we are seeing some sort of confusion. For that top hurdle is taking place in a national capital. So there is confusion in both the camps. As far as Mahagathbandhan is concerned, Tejasvi Yadav has now decided to file nomination, and he is filing his nomination amidst the no clarity on how many seats which political party in Mahagathbandhan is going to fight elections this time in Bihar Assembly elections.
Right. We did get some information and reports that were coming in that there is some sort of understanding that had come between the RJD and the VIP party that 18 seats could be allocated to them. But clearly what we see here is the RJD leader saying that my seat is my seat, I'm going and putting in my nomination, while the negotiations could continue. But there is a hard bargain right now being driven by the Congress leaders as well.
No doubt in this, Anjali. Congress party is asking that they should be given around 65 seats to contest, but RJD is ready to give them only 58 seats. On the other side, Mukesh Sahni's party is also asking for around 20 seats, to be allocated to them, but that is also not happening. So, yes, there is some sort of understanding on which both the parties have reached on. Consensus has been built, but still, there is no official announcement of the seat sharing formula or on which seat which party will contest, which party party will have a larger share of pie in Mahagathbandhan. That is not decided yet. Officially, it has not been announced. That is why the confusion continues to be there. For that, what we are learning is that the series of meetings are going on in Delhi, in the Congress camp also, in RJD camp also. At RJD headquarters, we have seen series of meetings taking place, but nothing is finalized yet. Officially, nothing has been released. And amidst all this confusion, Tejasvi Yadav has now decided to file nomination, and he has come with his family members. His father Lalu Prasad Yadav, his mother Rabri Devi, and his sister Misa Bharti is also there. So he has come here with his family members to file nominations from the Raghavpur.
Right, absolutely, Piyush. There is still confusion, there is ambiguity as to what the seat sharing formula is, but in the midst of this visual coming in and Tejasvi going to file his nomination.